We welcome live here, ladies and gentlemen, to a brand new episode of Mwpw, and we're an episode of Mwpw back just because we're doing the Hurt Lock Challenge. So, without further ado, like, subscribe. We're literally so close to 1,300 subscribers on YouTube, which is insane. Right now, we're currently sitting on 1,265 subscribers. The time we are filming this. That depends if it doesn't go down or if it goes back up. But yeah, without further ado, let's actually go on the actual video. It's going to be the Hurt Lock Challenge. I've got to do it to Christian. He's got to try and break out. If he breaks out of it, then he can choose the stipulation, or if we can have a match at a pay-per-view. Basically our next pay-per-view. So subscribe for all notifications so you don't miss a brand new episode of Mwpw Wrestling. Because yes, as you guys wanted it back so badly, so why don't we bring it back? Mwpw Wrestling is finally back. I'm kind of glad it's back, so I really want to wrestle for you guys. And let's actually do it. So, remember? Yes. We'll try everything. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah. 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 No. 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 Ah. No. No. Ah. 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 Oh. 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 Oh, it came out of nowhere! Oh my god! No! 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 Ah! 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 My! Ah! 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 Oh! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh! And a low blow! And a low blow! Oh, actually, no, that's it. When actually had me. Oh! No! No! So what is your stipulation and where we're going to have our next fight? Right, you get a pick.
Our next fight is the next pay-per-view.
When's the next pay-per-view? And what is the next pay-per-view? And what is the stipulation, huh?
Mwpw Broke Slam. And it will be a false count anywhere.
Falls count anywhere. Brook Slam. See you there. Oh! 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 I'll see you at Brook Slam, bitch. Oh! 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 Like, subscribe if you don't want to miss brand new episodes of Mwpw Wrestling.